Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to another vlog, and this is my weekday vlog. I'll be showing you some authentic Keralite dishes. So let's get started. Friends, for morning breakfast, I'm going to prepare boiled tapioca, puringe kappa with green chili chutney. Okay, so friends, here I am using the frozen one. Okay, the brand is Lulu. You can take any brand, but I am using this brand for very long and it's very good. Okay, and the tapioca is so soft. Okay, so I'll just open this one pack, and this is half kg pack. This I'll open and I'll add to the pressure cooker. I'll wash it and I'll add to the pressure cooker. Nice big pieces you will get in half kg. I will wash, that time it will be defrosted, and then I will give only one whistle and this will be done, and then we will be preparing green chili chutney. So friends, I have washed, it's clean, it is defrosted. Okay, now to this I will be adding little water and salt, and then I'll pressure cook. So I'm adding little salt and I'll add little water to this. Now I'll cover the pressure cooker and now I'll cook this. Now friends, parallelly I am preparing for the meal also. So I've kept pot filled with water for rice. Okay, so I'll switch on the gas and I'll let it boil, then I'll add rice to this. In the mixer jar I will be first adding some green chilies. You can cut and add, I am adding whole. Some shallots. If you don't have shallots, then you can add onions also, small one. Okay, you don't need to make a paste, just you have to pulse 1 or 2 times, that's all. After first pulsing, it looks like this. Okay, so I'll scrape from the corners. I'll add salt and then I'll pulse. So our green chili chutney is ready. Now I will be adding little coconut oil. That's all. So our chutney is ready. Do try this. I will add rice to this. Washed rice. This is matta rice, what we use in daily basis. So our tea is for breakfast. So guys, the rice is boiled nicely. Now I'll switch off the gas. I'll cover this. Now I'll transfer this to the thermal cooker. So friends, I was talking about this thermal cooker. This is steel thermal cooker and the brand is a Butterfly, a Double Delight cook and serve pot. Okay, you can see it's almost 3 years old, so the label is also not that good. Okay, but it works awesome for me. So it looks like this. It has a rubber. This is a rubber. Okay, this rubber we keep down like this, and then we put the pot on top of this. Okay, transfer the pot to this, and then we will cover this, and we will So guys, our tea is also ready for breakfast. So now second time I am boiling. After 2 boil, I'll just remove the water. For beef fry, I am just washing the beef. To prepare the beef fry, first we have to boil the beef. So I have cleaned the beef, and now to this cleaned beef I will be adding 1 tablespoon of crushed green chili, garlic and ginger. I've added. Then I will be adding salt according to taste. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper crushed, 1/4 teaspoon of homemade garam masala, adding a pinch of asafoetida hing, and lot of fresh curry leaves. Now I'll mix it nicely with hands. Then I will be adding a little bit of water. Very little water we are adding. So I'll cover and I'll switch on the gas and let it cook. More curry. For that, in a vessel I am adding oil. Already the more curry recipe is there in my channel. I will put the link. You can check. This is very basic tempering I am making for a leftover tapioca. It's a small dish, rice you can eat. It's very famous in Kerala. So I'm adding little bit of coconut oil. As the oil is hot, now we will be adding little bit of mustard seed. Some dried red chili, now I'll switch off the gas and then I'll add some curry leaves. and little bit of turmeric. And I add this tempering to tapioca. This was a leftover tapioca from morning breakfast, so I'll just add to this and I will mix nicely so it can coat each and every tapioca. So this will be the side dish with rice. Frying the beef, I have taken kadai. Switch on the gas. Now to this I will be adding coconut oil. Now I will be adding mustard seed. As the mustard seeds are crackling, I will be adding small size onion, some dried red chili, the onion has changed the color. Now I will be adding boiled beef. While frying, I will be adding little red chili powder, half a teaspoon. Add little fresh curry leaves. So friends, a quick and easy beef fry is ready. So friends, I am ending my vlog over here. As you have seen the dishes, especially the kappa with green chutney, the tapioca with green chili chutney, and beef fry. Please do try these recipes and comment if you have ever tried this before, and please share, like my channel, comment if you have any suggestions. So friends, I will meet you with another video or vlog. Till then, bye.